How you doing? I'm just checking out your stuff. I think I reached late. Huh?
We have a little bit of sea moss left. Would you like to try?
Bad.
We thank you, Cage Creation. We thank every business that was a part of this festival. We thank every organization that participated in the parade. We would not have been a success without you. So as we get out of here, go shop, go eat, and let's dance.
Because I'm going to use it to catch part of the fire. And then we have the coal. I get it in and the grill, guys. Okay, you know? Line them up, guys. So stay tuned, guys. As you see over there, so African parade. Alright, go on, guys. The African parade, them a shot. And where are you guys located?
Newark.
Newark, Health and Wellness.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. We'll soon get some epic clips, guys. Epic clips. So see the stove right yesterday. Yeah, that's how we should probably go get it lined out, guys. See, yeah, we should probably get them. So stay tuned, guys. Yeah, guys, as you can see, we have the African Day to go on. African Day in the park, guys. That's where they just chilling, having cookout. They have natural juices over there. Yeah, guys, as you can see, the African Day of celebration. They're all cooking out. See them right there in the park. And they're presently they have so many tents. And it's still alongside with the Juneteenth. So they're playing a game right there, as you can see. And then behind that van, they're doing the hula whoop. Yeah, that guy won it. They're playing for some cups. Yeah, guys, I just see most of them. They just selling. Hustlers. My lemonade right just guys. Let me use lemon. African Day, guys. Everyone just a chill, guys. You know. A lot of people, guys.
Guess what I'm about? I was like, oh. How you doing? No, I'm not looking for nobody. No, not you. Who's that? Is that your uncle or your brother? With the hair? My uncle. Yeah, he was sitting there. The dark skin that was smoking? The dark skin. The police guy.
Culture Jamaican restaurant, guys. We sell good food. I have a bar outside for culture, you know, guys. So the Jamaican restaurant, the guys. The Jamaican restaurant, the Sell Off Culture Caribbean. Yeah, man. Showing us some of the things that them have yesterday, guys. How you doing? I'm just checking out your stuff. I think I reached late. Huh?
We have a little bit of small stuff. Would you like to try a sample?
Yes, I would love to try to see my sample. And I'm doing
We don't have any more ginger shots.
okay.
We sold out of that. So we have apple cinnamon, cinnamon ginger, mango, mango and cinnamon ginger, mango.
The mango one. What's that?
Mango?
Yeah. And what's the benefit of this one?
It's a lot of benefits. It's cardiovascular health, digestive health, anti-inflammatory, it's good for your skin and nails.
Oh, the ginger do the inflammatory.
Yes, and the sea moss as well.
Okay. Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and then it clears the mucus from your system.
Okay.
It's good for your digestion, it helps with libido, everything.
Alright. I'm just doing a vlog at the same time.
I'm sorry?
I'm doing a vlog at the same time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'm gonna give it a try. I know about the ginger. I know the ginger is pretty good.
Yes, it's good for you. It heals the body. There's also there's mango, chia seeds,
Yeah.
and a little bit of ginger in there.
Chili seed?
Chia seeds.
Oh, chia seed. Okay.
Scan the QR code and it takes us. It takes you to our
website. Yeah. Just once you scan it, take you to the website.
Yeah, everything else.
All right.
It'll be like social media accounts, our website.
Okay. All right. I like the mango and this one.
Yeah.
This one. All right. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
And the name of your business?
It's Beyond New Wellness.
Yeah.
So we are a. Did you want to take this with you?
No,
or-
those are okay. You could take those.
Okay.
Thank you so
You're
much.
very welcome.
All right.
Bye.
I'm doing a vlog. I'll go and send them. Yeah, guys, I think that's the vlog. Reach late, so you know. So the tent, the guys, no mosquito added.
You ate this one. You ate today, right?
Yeah, he was like, nope. He was like, Jazz, get your ass out. I'm like, what you doing? He was like, you see what she did? I'm like, yeah. He was like, nope, she get her ass out. Get out.